Am I the only one that didn't know setting financial goals could be this exciting? Picture yourself on a serene beach, setting sail toward your dream life. Imagine you're on a beautiful beach, ready to sail to your dream destination. Your financial goals, they're the islands you'll visit along the way. Whether it's saving for an epic vacation or finally paying off that student loan, clear goals keep you on course. Without them, you're just drifting in the open sea. But with them, you have a map, a purpose, and a destination. So, start small. Set a savings goal for the month. Then, watch as you get closer and closer to your dream. Let's chart your course together. Financial freedom is just a goal away. Ready to set sail?